Have you been thinking of using commercial music, real music labels in your YouTube videos, but you are kind of worried that it could end up with a copyright claim? Using commercial music as the background sound in your YouTube videos can easily get your videos a copyright claim, which of course will lead to the video being demonetized and in some cases completely deleted. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use commercial music from real labels in your YouTube videos without ever worrying about copyright claims. Now, many YouTube creators just starting out use copyrighted music in their YouTube videos, sometimes without even realizing the consequences, only to end up with a copyright claim and miss out on all the AdSense revenue after posting their video. YouTube is now very strict about copyrighted content on their platform and can take down your video or even suspend your account for copyright infringement, which means you need to start exercising some caution when using commercial music in your YouTube videos if you are not already doing that. You see, when dealing with the commercial music industry, there are basic rules in place to protect the works of musicians, composers, and artists alike. Basically, the copyright law is there to protect the unique creative work of musicians and give them the rights to keep creating without any worries. The big question now is, how do you use this type of copyrighted protected music in your videos on YouTube and still get them monetized? Make sure to hit the like button below this video and keep watching if you would like to learn how to obtain permission from commercial music you would like to use in your YouTube videos. Now, for a start, you first have to understand that YouTube allows creators to upload copyrighted music if the creator has obtained a license or permission from the owner of the copyrighted content. And when it comes to obtaining permission to use any commercial music in your videos, you have to first contact the music labels, publishers, and songwriters, and all these different bodies have to accept your request of using the song before you'll be granted the permission to use it. And of course, all that will depend on how much you're willing to pay for it. Now, it's because of all these roadblocks that the linked music service is trying to help YouTube creators. Linked is one of the fastest growing music library collections for social videos. You can use it to license popular commercial music quickly, easily, and very cheap. It's actually a digital platform that helps YouTube creators to legally use copyrighted music that they love. The platform provides commercial music rights from real labels for anyone interested. Here is how the leaked platform works. You find a track that you would like to use in your video, and there are many different commercial musics on the platform. Then you want to click on the license tab here and then on standard, and the music or sound will be added to your shopping cart. You can now click here to see your chosen music, and from the pop-up that appears here below, you can check out the end user's license agreement. So all you have to do next is create an account or log in and pay for your chosen music. After doing that, a unique license number of the music you have chosen to use will be generated and given to you so that you can put it in your video description. Now, when you finally create your video with the copyrighted music in it and upload it on YouTube, you want to copy the number from the leaked platform and add it in the video description. The leak service has a software called Leaked Verge that will help detect the number that you place in your video description and then send the information to the leaked service, which will in turn clear the rights of the music you used in your video. Now, that's all possible because the leak service has a deal with Universal Music Group, the Warner Music Group, BMG, and Empire, which all deals with commercial music industries. These are the largest label rights records in the world. Now, when it comes to how much you pay for the commercial rights of a single music, well, that all depends on the pricing structure on the linked website, which is based on the average views your recent video uploads have received. So when signing into the linked platform, you'll be asked to connect your YouTube channel. That way, they will be able to check your latest 50 videos and take an average view count. That will now allow the leaked service to estimate your audience size and put your channel into any of these price brands here. You have the option of selecting any of these currencies, the US dollars, euros, or the British pounds. You also have the option of choosing between branded and non-branded commercial music. Brand sponsored licenses are available only for creators who are working with a brand in a particular video. So the leaked brand sponsored license covers any video that you as the creator of the video have been paid to produce either for or in partnership with a brand. Take for example, you might decide to create a video that features some of the products or services of a specific brand. In that case, the purpose of the video must not solely be an advert, and it's important also that you post the video only on your channel. Now this is where it gets a little bit interesting. If in any case the brand you're sponsoring in your video wants to feature your video on their channel or any other social account, they will need a different license for the track you use in the video. So basically you'll be helping Leak to get more clients to their platform. Now, that does not mean if you are not being paid by the brand in any way, you'll be considered a brand sponsor. So basically, as a YouTuber, it's recommended to go with the non-brand option. And as you can see here, the price changes from these high prices to way lower prices. That means with up to 50,000 average views per video, you'll be paying less than $10, euros or pounds. But it's also important to keep in mind that as the number of views increases, so too will be the amount paid. Now I'll be dropping the link to this leaked service below this video. I have no affiliation whatsoever with this website. I just thought of sharing it with you because I thought it would be useful for you. Now here are some common questions you might be asking yourself about the leaked service. You might be asking yourself if you can use the track that you have paid for to license multiple videos. Of course not. Since this platform is also out to make money, you can only use the linked license in one single video. That means if you need to use a track that you have already used before in a different video, you still need to buy another license. The next common question that people ask is, can you remix a track that you have licensed or change it in any other way? Well, on the leaked platform, you are not allowed to remix a track because that is not allowed in the end user's license agreement. However, you are allowed to cut and edit the track so that it works with your video. Now, in any case, if you made a mistake or you change your mind after paying for the rights of any of the commercial license and you want a refund, you can easily contact the linked support desk and they will gladly help you out with that. You just have to send a message to them with as much information as possible. For example, your name, your channel name, license ID, the name of the track and artist you license, and the payment receipt. It's also important to note that purchasing a license is only for the right to use that specific track, so a refund will not be issued if a decision has been made after the track has been downloaded. Now, that's all what is important to know about the leaked service. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.